So friends, in our previous tutorial, we saw the demonstration of how to reverse an array in Java. So in this tutorial, we'll actually code the algorithm for reversing an array. So here I have created one class by name reverse array, and this class has a static method print array, which will actually take an array and print its elements on the console. And in the main method, I have taken the same array which we discussed in the slide. So initially, if I run the code now, you see it prints the values in the array as 2, 11, 5, 10, 7, 8. And now we'll write the code to reverse this array. So we'll create a static method, public static void reverse. This method takes in the array which we want to reverse, and it also takes the range that from which position to which we want to reverse the array. So it actually takes the start position and the end position between which we will reverse the elements of the array. So the first step will provide a while loop and will iterate till start is less than end, and in this while loop will simply swap the values at the start index and the end index of the array. So first we'll create a temporary variable, and to this temporary variable we'll simply assign the value at the start index of array, and then we'll simply assign the value at the end index to the value at start index. And finally we'll assign the value of the temporary variable to the end index of the array, and then we'll simply increment the start by 1 and decrement the end by 1. So friend, this is the algorithm to actually reverse an array. Now let's test its working in the main method. So here I will call reverse method by passing in the numbers array, and the start position is 0 and end position is numbers dot length minus 1. So between this range the array will be reversed, and finally we'll print the array. So if I run the code now, so friends, here you can see initially the array was having values at 2, 11, 5, 10, 7, 8. So after reversing this array, it became 8, 7, 10, 5, 11, 2. So friends, in this tutorial we actually coded the algorithm to reverse an array in Java. I hope you like this video. Thanks, have a nice day.